Lurefishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, back at it again. Yeah man, we're here with Nullis today. Yeah man, definitely. We're out, guys, subscriber, and he's out with us for the first time, guys. So, guys, yeah man, we switch over from over the other side there. It was getting kind of crowded, and we wanted to catch fish. So the water here levels went up on this side, guys. I don't know what's up. I see it gone up. The river is still closed though, so I suppose there's still fish trapped in here. But let's drop in the water here and see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. There be snooks in here, boy. Fish in here, you know, look here. Look one fish in here. I'm gonna go up under the bridge and chuck out under the bridge. But set your line, look. Drop close to those bushes, but don't drop in the bushes. There's big crabs back here, Larry. Get on the other side. But clean, I almost drop off our tree. That wouldn't be funny. You would have laughed. Yes, you would have. You would have laughed after me and I would have been upset at you. Yeah, man. Me and Mr. Nullis is out here, guys. Oh wait, the chewing that tree? Eh? Yeah. You never need to cast so hard, brother. Pull it quick, just give a quick yak. A quick yoke like what you said me do earlier. Aye. Yo, look, when you do like this, just hold on like this and just go so. None of them clothes you have nature. Yeah, where though? Oh shit. See me do the same thing they look well. Snap of them over here, you know? Snap of them over here, so. Long jaw chasing, guys. Hey, Nullis, come over here, sir. You don't use snap swivels on your rigs? Just cut it and retie it. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Snook, bro.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Snook this morning. Yeah, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Striker. That's what's up, guys. Got a snook on it this morning, guys. Finally. Killed a nice snook on him this morning. Let's see what's up. I knew he was in here. Huh. Alright, let's get this guy off. And get him off this hook here, guys. Yeah, he definitely made a bad bite today. And he got hooked pretty good too, Nullis. Calm down, you're dead. Sorry, go for your cool line, I care, come. You hear me? See, Nullis? Yeah. That's why I love lure fishing, because the catches are so much better. Here. Go for your cooler, come. The car is open. Hurry up. Alright, I'm gonna leave this bad boy right here for a second. I'll get back to you in a second. Alright. See if we can get a bigger one on this. Alright, over against the bushes on my cast. Right, one more licky look while, no? One more. Fish on. One more, guy. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Calm down. Yeah, that one I get liquid hard, you know? Eh? I use mostly twitch lures. You're dead off. You set up already, brother? Yeah. Drop in, man. You drop in already? Huh? Where you set? Alright. Yeah, guys. Yeah, working this twitch lure today, guys. I guess it's snook killing day. Right, look on the size of this one, yeah. Blood cleat. Youth. You want to see the size of that snook, yeah, brother? Brother, you want to see the size of the snook we run down the line? Look a while. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. I'm out with a subscriber, Nollis. Nollis is definitely giving it his hardest try, guys. Hey guys, good up yourself. We out here this morning, guys. That's what's up. Lure fishing this morning, guys. Checking this river to see if we can pick up some snook. Morning. See if we can pick up some snooks this morning, guys. Let me see what's up. You got it in yet? Huh? Alright, yeah, perfect drop. Perfect drop right there, bro. Because fish like structures. A lot of people don't understand that. Fish love structure. They like hiding anywhere they can shade and ambush anything else. Remember I said, fish are more cannibalistic. You understand? They're cannibals, bro. They eat each other, they eat everything, man. Alright, just a man set up their line off fish right just as you see. And the river is deep, you know. See bridge where I come from right this man? Yeah. Oi. You're crazy, of course. Hey, and me, I lure retriever, I lose one over there, I want to lure over there right now on that tree there. Well, I wasn't going to swim across there that day though. And then me check in the ocean, but I not take no check in the river. You're mad. Hey, me fish a Black River already, you know. And there Black River fish the blood teeth brethren. And when me decide to move and when the crocodile decides to move on that boat next to me. Yeah? Really outside, I buy time for real to react. You know, pick up no picture. And you don't get no pick. No, not even a poof. Put tension on your line, man. Put tension on your line. That's how you know you really run good, you know. When you hear it let out. You don't hear no none of that shit. You don't hear that. Listen. And that's a one hand cast. Now go up look further and try look further, see if I can pick up one up here. So. And walk up look a bit. Morning. Hey say yeah, what if I soldier crab? A soldier crab you catch? Oh. See if I can pick up two of them snook, yeah. Pick up two already done this up on the other side of the bridge look while, but see if I can pick up one from a priority too, you know? Right, it's one big one just swim off of your side, you know? I got hit a while ago. Hey, hey, hey. Fish on. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Brother. Another one Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Another one bites the dust, guys. Snook hunting this morning, guys. That's what's up. Yo, bro. Switch up, man. Switch up. You can use a lure on that, you know, but it's just not going to be as flexible. Switch up. If you're not getting anything on that, switch up. We're fishing here, guys. I spot a barra. I was spotting a while. I was going home. I spot a barra. This barra weighs about 30 pounds, guys. No lie. This thing is huge. I'm going for him. I'm gonna see if I can sneak around the edge of the water right there. I'm probably gonna get a little bit wet, guys. But it don't matter. This is real dangerous, guys, but this fish is all the way around here. Bro, he's still there? Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. I can get to him from here? Yeah? Tell me to go that way? Jamaican shore fishing. Tell me if I drop past him.
Alright, yeah. In front.
Juicy. Little bit too quick. Am I chasing?
Alright, no. Water kind of get dirty.
You see him?
Yeah, we should have there.
Nah, chase it.
No. Come on first. Alright, right in front. Into the far out. Oh. Alright, let's put it in. Into the far.
Where's the gun?
Pull it to your right side. Pull it to your right.
Which rock? This rock?
No, you can't see this corner.
Yeah.
You're right.
Eh?
You're right.
That one.
Yeah, but that's so far though. The nearest you.
Shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back. Well, guys, I'm gonna close this video out now. I just dropped off my subscriber I caught in total today, guys, 3 snooks, and I gave him 1 and kept 2 for myself and Laurie. So this is what's up, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, thank you for joining us, guys. Big up yourself. We are out here.